Hey there, it's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are on another project here in Palm Harbor, Florida. If we turn around and look, we are doing sidewalks and a driveway cleaning for a returning client of ours. As you can see, we have a bit of buildup with the algae and so forth on the concrete. And the pavers here, we have some weeds. We're going to go ahead and get those knocked out. And then one thing we always do is a quick rinse down of the garage door. We get all this stuff up here, like knock that down for them. There's going to be a few mud dauber nests as well up front here. We're going to try to knock some of that down, but be careful at the same time not to cause any more damage to the ceiling there. As you can see, we've got some cracking. We can also see where some paint repair has already been done as well. But here you can see more of the algae on the ground. And just overall, a quick rinse down of a lot of these areas in addition to the driveway and sidewalks. As you can see, we have the reclaim system all set up in the van. Our discharge point over here. The van is all set up for the pressure washer side as well. There we have our sandbags and our scupper. So we are all set to go. are done with this project here in Palm Harbor. As you can see, we have cleaned all of these sidewalks, the walkway to the front door, the front patio area there. We knocked down as much of the mud daubers as we could without damaging any more of their drywall and paint. As you can see here, we stopped all of our wash water. We have vacuumed all of it. We pumped it back into the grass after it was filtered in the machine. As you can see here, everything rolls downhill. So we didn't put anything down the drains that way either. If you live in the Dunedin, Palm Harbor, Clearwater, Oldsmar area, and you would like eco-friendly pressure washing service at your home or office, I would love a chance to earn your business. Give me a call. My number, 727-200-2352.